In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy load on GCash. If you've ever needed to top up a prepaid mobile number quickly and securely, this walkthrough will guide you through the essential taps and choices so you can get it done with confidence. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is installed and you're logged in, your internet connection is stable, and you have enough balance to cover the load you want to buy. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load the home screen. You should see the main dashboard with several shortcuts and icons. If you're prompted for a PIN or biometric unlock, complete that as usual so you land on the home page. Next, tap Load. This button is typically on the home screen among the quick actions. If you don't see it at first glance, look for the Buy Load icon or swipe through the available shortcuts until you find Load. Tapping it brings you to the Load Purchase section. From here, choose Mobile. This tells GCash that you're buying load for a mobile number and not for other services. Selecting Mobile will display options related to telcos and mobile promos, which is exactly what you need for a top-up. Now, select the telco. Pick the correct network provider for the number you're loading, such as the one your recipient uses. Choosing the right telco matters because promos and denominations are specific to each network. If you're unsure, confirm the network with the owner of the number before proceeding. Some versions of the app can detect the provider after you enter the number, but it's still best to double-check. Enter the mobile number carefully. Type it in slowly and verify all the digits to avoid sending load to the wrong recipient. If you're buying load for yourself, you can enter your own number. If you're buying for someone else, make sure you've got their number exactly right, including the correct prefix. Tap Next. This moves you to the list of available denominations and promo bundles for the selected telco and number. Finally, select a promo. You'll see regular load amounts and a variety of bundles that may include data, calls, and texts. Read the descriptions, check the validity period, and pick what best matches your needs. Prices and inclusions vary by telco, and availability can change, so take a moment to compare before choosing. Once you've selected your preferred promo, you're set. That's the complete process, from opening GCash to choosing the promo you want. Keep your app updated and always double-check the number and telco for a smooth experience.